I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for content calendar. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So all you need to do is just open your ClickUp app, which is right over here. Just go ahead and tap there, and now just select any of the tasks, or you can choose to create a new one too. Just going to tap on create, and now you have the option of task. Tap on create task, write down the task, and now you can see the option of set dates right over here. So this will help you manage your time. You can set deadlines, due dates, the start dates. You can add time, add recurring time, and tap on done. And this will help you really use ClickUp for content calendar. This will help you track your progress of your employees. You can also choose to track time through here. So this is tracking your time. So in this way, you can successfully use ClickUp for content calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.